Hello guys, we have problem remove element. This is Leetcode 27, problem number 27, and this one will have one array nums and an integer val, in which we'll have to remove all the val occurring in nums, okay, in place in that nums array. So the tricky part is you'll have to do it in you'll have to do will you should not use any extra space to do this operation, and we'll have to remove all number of all non-val values. So here you can see the example val equal to 2. Here you can see val is there are 1 2 3 twos are here, and total length of this is 8. So this should the answer to should be non-val values are 5, so the answer is 5. So this is what we'll have to do. So what we can do, we can like here we can go from left to right. This is non-val, this is val. So what we'll do, this val replaces with 3. Okay, so let's replace it here. This becomes 3. Okay, now this is just make it underscore. Okay, now again next 2 is found, just replace it with 0. Okay, now this 0 underscore. Okay, now again this is we can skip these two, then 4, then 2. We can, this is the last one, and you can leave it as it is. So how many elements are there? So 1 2 3 4 5. So answer is 5. Now okay, so we'll have to keep track of the elements that are with which we are going to replace it. So we will have a pointer at the start of the array, and replace that pointer with non val value, so that all the non val value will go to the left of the array, and or the val value will automatically shift to right. Okay, let's go to the coding part. I'll get to understand better. Okay, so def remove element. Okay, it will have two arguments, nums and val. Okay, here let's have a pointer at the start of the array. Let's define it k at start of the array. Okay, now let's go from I range in range nums. Okay, at the end till end of the array. Now we'll check if nums, this I value is, if it's not equal to the val. Okay, then we'll replace the left value. We'll replace the left value, means this k, this one, this will be replaced with the I, this will be replaced with this itself. That will not affect anything, because it will be no, it's not non-val value, so it will be uh, plus it there on itself, so that's okay. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll replace it nums of k, replace it with nums of I. Okay, and if this is val value, then we just skip it. We'll do nothing, because anyway we are shifting all the non two values to the left of the array. So now just if that is okay, then we'll increase the value of k by 1. Now this is number of times the k had been increased, that will say that this is the number of non-val value, that will become our return value. Okay, return k. Let's test it out. Okay, so nums, we can define this nums equal to this array itself. Okay, I'll have to take the example, only this example. Let's keep it this one. So what was there, this 2 and 2. Okay, now val equal to 2, and then we'll call this remove element, pass nums and well, and just then run it. 5, we have 5 here. Yeah, it's correct. So here we can see, you can see we haven't used any extra space here, so space complexity is big of 1, and we have gone through only once through this array, so time complexity is a big O of n once, and space complexity is big of 1. Okay, so that's it. So hope this helps. Thank you for watching.